Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another piece of really cool inventory. We have a 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX Surf. This is a brand new boat from Sea Ray with the forward-facing drive from Mercury. Let's take a step inside, look at some of the awesome features that we have. All right guys, as we step inside of this boat, you can see it is an unbelievably spacey and roomy boat. On the back of this boat, we actually have a submersible swim platform, which is really nice when you guys are hanging out on the water. This really nice lounge area right here. And inside of this port side over here, we're gonna have massive storage back there. You can put everything that you need to inside of that boat, keep everything out here nice and uncluttered. As we step through the transom walkthrough, we do have our Fusion audio head unit back on the back so that you guys can control the tunes from back there. We have our PTM board racks. These are really nice clamping board racks. Going to keep all your surfboards, wakeboards safe when you're out there. One thing I do want to point out is this massive bimini that we have. This is an articulating tower, so it can lower down farther down on the boat, and it has an extending sunshade on the back, so you guys have a ton of shade out there when you're out there in the Texas heat. As we step through the boat, you can see it's got this really nice luxury feel. We have the seats all lit up right now, as well as cup holders back there. You're never going to be looking for a cup holder. And there's going to be storage under these seats, as well as a cooler right over here. Coming forward through the boat, you can see we have our dual helm chairs. This is really nice for whoever's riding with you. They can kind of face forward, feel like they're a part of the boat. On our dash, we do have our dual SIMRAD screens. This is going to have a proprietary system for our surf system, so it's really easy to use and really easy to set up this boat. Going to feel like a regular surf boat, but you get all the comfort and the ride of a Sea Ray whenever you're out there. We do have our digital throttle and shift as well, and our trim tab control, and then your Fusion head unit as well right here, which is going to be Bluetooth and everything that you need for the tunes with our Fusion audio speakers up top. As we step through, we come into the bow. This bow is really nice and big. It's going to feel bigger than any of the surf boats that you got out there. And it has these fold down armrests right here. You got room for about 2 to 3 adults. And one really nice thing about this boat is you do have a windlass anchor. So you get all those amenities of a regular cruising boat, but then you get an awesome surf wave from Sea Ray. Again, this is a Sea Ray 260 SLX Surf here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call. We can get you squared away.